The Chinese stir-fry spicy shrimp is one of the great successes of Chinese restaurants. Learn how to prepare it at home. You get freshness, quality, taste and price. Here are the ingredients for 3 to 4 people. You can find the list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Peel the shrimp by keeping the tail. Cut them along the back. If necessary, remove the intestinal vein. Cut the peppers into small cubes. Cut the onion into chunks. Crush the garlic. Peel it and chop it. Peel the ginger. Grate it. Keep 1 teaspoon. Dilute 1 teaspoon of cornstarch in 1 tablespoon of water. To prepare the sauce, put the sugar, the salt, the tomato paste, the chili paste, the broth, the light soy sauce. Combine all together. The cooking of shrimp is delicate. They must be tender and crunchy at the same time. If they are overcooked, they'll become dry and hard. Blanch the shrimp in boiling water for 10 seconds. Put the oil in a pan heated over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the garlic and the grated ginger. Stir for 10 seconds. Then add the onion, the peppers. Stir for 1 minute. Add the sauce. Stir, then bring to a boil. Add the shrimp. Stir from time to time for 20 seconds. Add the diluted starch. It will thicken the sauce. Stir for 10 seconds. Add the spring onion. Keep a little. Stir briefly and cut off the fire. Sprinkle off the rest of the spring onion. Serve hot with a bowl of jasmine rice. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.